Have you run out of people to talk to for your MLM business and not sure where you can find some of the best MLM leads offline? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you where you can go to get some of the best MLM leads for your business, so stick around. Hey, what's up guys? Tamil here, and in today's video, I want to share with you where I go to find some of the best MLM leads for my home business and how you can do the same. Now, when I found myself running out of leads for my network marketing business, I was frustrated because I didn't know where I could go to get qualified prospects to talk to about my products and my business opportunity. And one of the things that I realized is that there's no one place to find people to talk to. You know, you can be at the shopping mall, or you can be at a grocery store, or at work, or wherever, and meet people, but I didn't really want to prospect that way. I wanted to narrow things down a bit. Now, I did all those things. I even tried buying leads online thinking that, they would be qualified leads if I paid for them. But the problem with buying leads online is that it gets very expensive. And those leads are often resold over and over again to many people, and they're not really targeted specifically for your niche. They may be interested in a home business opportunity, but not really an MLM business. So if you're watching this video because you are now where I was in my business and you want to talk to people that are more likely to respond in a positive way, then you better start surrounding yourself with more like-minded people. One of the things I love to do is I love going to network marketing events, because my business partner and I, we had ran a real estate business for a while, and we would attend these local real estate meetings. And for our business, it was the perfect way to connect with people because they were like-minded people that were in business, and they would likely be interested in network marketing. And when I say business-minded, I mainly mean that they were the type of people that were used to running a business themselves. I mean, I'm talking about salespeople, realtors, those type of people. People who are used to making money, they're used to making a commission, and they understand the business model, particularly one like mine, and they wouldn't mind doing the upfront work. Now, I know you're probably thinking, well, what if I'm not in real estate, and where can I network with people for my business? Okay, so let's check out 2 sites that you can go to find new people to talk to for your multi-level marketing business.
All right, guys, one place you may want to check out is a site called Eventbrite. Now, this site will allow you to search all the local events that are taking place in your area, and you can specifically search for a certain type of event. You have to kind of start thinking outside of the box when it comes to your business, because one thing you want to always remember is that your MLM business is a networking business. It's a people business. And so you have to think about how you're going to build relationships. There's no way around it, honestly. Okay, so let's just look here for a second at this this page, because one of the things that you can do on this page is that you can search for different events. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right up here to the top, and I'm just going to type in business just to see what comes up here. And when I type in business, I'm just picking just a random area. And if you scroll down here, I see a whole bunch of stuff. I see SBA business loan requirements, Ignite Your Business, which is going to be taking place actually today, it looks like. Also, I see Ultimate Business Tune-Up, which is free. And I see Business and Bites pop up. So if you're looking for a place to kind of network and you want more like-minded people that are, business type people that, you think that you can relate to a lot better, then you kind of want to surround yourself probably with folks that are going to do something of that sort. Now, one thing I noticed right here is that it has right here that it's free. And that's a good thing, because if you can find events that are free versus paying for them, that is definitely a whole lot better than, coming out of your pocket. So you see right here where it says free business opportunity meeting. This is definitely probably something to want to check out. If you click on this right here, it'll open up to a page, and it looks like it has that whole ad going on here. And one of the things that you can do is that you can scroll down. You can see exactly where this is located, and it gives a description of the event. So if this is something that you think you might want to attend and you might enjoy it, whatnot, you can definitely contact. It looks like this is the moderator right here, who is Carol Thompson, and you can contact this person. Also, it gives you the date and time of the event. So if you click on those and you know exactly where it's going to be located, and it doesn't have a fee, and you read all of the things for the description, it's not a bad one to attend. This is just a way for you to be able to get out, network with people, and kind of see, you know, exactly who you can meet, that, you know, just really just networking. Not that you're just going there to just pitch your business to someone, but you're looking to just meet more people. And if someone along the line that happens to, you know, maybe be interested in your business in the long term, great. If not, it's just another person that you've met for networking, and who knows, maybe it will turn into something else, you know, later on. So if you want to find out more about this, I left a link to the event in the description, so don't forget to check that out when you get done watching the video. You know, the objective to this is to find like-minded people to talk to. That's one thing that I've learned throughout my business, because when I'm talking to people who, you know, have no interest in what I'm doing, then it makes it a lot more difficult to search for prospects and things like that. So these are people who, you know, probably already have a business, you know, or maybe, you know, they're used to, you know, running a business, and they're used to, you know, working businesses that are commission based, who knows, or, you know, they're not turned off by doing upfront work. That's why I like speaking with people that, you know, that understand business, or that are like-minded, you know, and pretty much have an interest in the things that I want to do. You don't have to always look for an event or a meeting. You know, on Eventbrite, people post classes that you can sign up for, and they are often, you know, offered in all different type of niches. And let's just type in something like social media. And if I type in social media boot camp. And so you also have social media marketing for realtors. This kind of gives me an idea of, you know, who's hopping online, who's interested, maybe further in their business. Now, social media marketing for realtors lets me know that there's realtors out there that maybe want to see how they can expand their reach for their business. So these are perfect classes to attend. And I see that some of them say that they are free. So how to manage social media, you know, or social media businesses, results-based training. I mean, you can look up all different type of events. So there's no reason why you can't find a way to network with people that may be interested later on down the line in your network marketing opportunity. One of the things you want to remember is you don't ever want to go to these events with the mindset of I'm trying to prospect someone. You're going there because you're looking to build relationships. You're looking to, you know, meet new people and network, because you have no idea whether or not it's going to turn into anything, but you're there because your chances of just expanding your network is a great opportunity in these type of places. So definitely check out Eventbrite. It's a really good site, and I think you can find a lot of good places to network at. Now, let's move on to another place that I find highly targeted MLM leads, which is called Meetup. And so here on Meetup, this is just an awesome place, because meetup.com allows people to create meeting groups and post them on Meetup for thousands of people to see. And you can create your own group, and you can meet people near you who share the same interests as you. This is another great place to check out. Now, as I scroll along here, it gives you categories that you can search for. So you don't have to feel like, okay, I have no idea what to look for. And because we're looking at the multi-level marketing business or industry, I'm always going to click on career and business, which I find to be most interesting. And so once I get here and I scroll down, it's here where everything is pretty much posted for you to, you know, check out. So once again, I'm going to scroll up right here, and I'm just going to type in business. So you have Atlanta Christian Business Women Meetup, and then you have Atlanta Business Network. And there's like close to 5,000 members in this meetup group. And then you have your network, Atlanta-based businesses. I mean, you have all these type of businesses. And I just typed in Atlanta here just to give you an example. So if you click on one of these groups, Then it goes through and it gives you the whole spiel of exactly, how many people are in this group, if you want to join this group, any of the past events that are taking place in this group, and any other posts that they have. So this is a great way to find out, even about the organizer. If you want to find out if they're having any meetings anywhere, or a way for you to find out their next meeting, this is a great way to do so. Now, another thing that I'm seeing here is right here. Say, for example, you want to check out something for social media. That's kind of my end. I'm an online internet marketer, so social media is my thing. So I see that they have about 340 different members here. You can join these groups. I can scroll down. You can see the organizer is Tanya, and it'll give you the info about this group, what we're about. It says this group consists of business owners, entrepreneurs, and bloggers that want to take the mystery out of social media marketing strategies that work for businesses. So, it doesn't always have to be someone that's, specifically in business. But like I said, this is kind of what I like. This is what I like to do. Now, let's just say that you like, different type of hobbies, bowling, maybe you like to shoot pool, look up those type of things as well, because you never know where you may find your, the next person that may have an interest in your business. Now, the great thing about these meetup groups, because I'm looking at one here for Atlanta Entrepreneurs and Strategy Meetup. The great thing about them is, even if you join the group, there's no fee for typically joining the groups, unless it's a very high-end group and they have an organization fee. Pretty much most of them are free, and they're just looking for a way to network with people. So you can always check that out if you join the group, and they can send you some information on, what the group is about, the days that they meet on, the locations, and things like that, and get all that information from the moderator. And obviously put in the location that is closest to you. So I'm going to scroll down here, go back here. Sorry about that. And I'm going to I'm going to type in random just to see what I come up with. Dance, if you like to dance, they've got groups here that are going on. You kind of want to think outside the box. People who will be interested in your business do not always have to already be in business. They may be someone who is just enjoying a hobby. Maybe they like to travel. Maybe they like to ski. You want to check out different groups to see, what fits you best. Maybe you just want to join one because it's just a hobby. I'm just using these type of sites as ways to network with different people. So if you want to create a meetup group for network marketers to learn how to generate leads online, then you can do so and then post it on Meetup, and people searching the site will be able to see your meetup group and attend your meetings. So not only can you attend a meeting, but you can also start a meeting yourself. So I encourage you to check out local business meetings that network with other business owners, and you can find that kind of info on meetup.com. Now, if you are already meeting tons of people this way and you want to expand your reach, then make sure you check out my video, The Best Places Online to Find MLM Leads for Your Business. I hope you got a lot of value out of this video today. I hope it was, very helpful to you. And also make sure you come back, because I do create videos on a weekly basis. So if you want more tips on how to generate leads for your home business, then definitely come back and check out some of my other videos. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and until next time, I will see you on the next video.